Yeah. Leo, can you share the difference between hard money and the private money?
Yep. I was actually going to chime in on that because we've done a number of deals doing them both ways. So hard money is when the lender has a lien against the property because it's a hard asset. So that's why they call it hard money, because the lien, you have the lien there, that's a hard asset which secures your money. So if you're a hard money lender, you're taking a lien against the property. So as Diego stated, you typically want a first lien, but you can do second, third, so on and so forth. Private money lender is just where I go to Gurov. Gurov comes to me and he's like, hey, I need 100 grand for 60 days. And I'm like, what do you want? And he's like, 2 points and 8% interest. And I'm like, okay, that's a good return for me. Gurov is going to provide me with a promissory note and a personal guarantee. And so the difference there is there's no hard asset against it. It's just there's a personal guarantee. So if Gurov defaults, I have a promissory note and a personal guarantee, and I can go after him in court and go after his assets or his cash or whatever it is in order to secure my funds. And so those are the primary differences. One is against the property. The other, is this a private loan with the personal guarantee like you do with the credit card or something to that effect.